Welcome to the assembly guide for your Cuisinart Outdoor Wok Station. Before we begin, ensure you have all the necessary parts and tools laid out. Check each component against the package contents list, and if any part is missing or damaged, please refrain from assembly and contact our customer care team for assistance. Begin by placing the station top upside down on a soft, flat surface like a piece of cardboard. Attach the handle using 2 A-screws provided, ensuring a secure fit. Next, connect leg B to the left side of the side panel by using 2 A-screws. Insert and tighten the top screw. Then attach the match holder chain to the bottom hole using the second screw, ensuring a tight connection. Assemble leg A to the right side of the side panel by fully tightening 2 A-screws. Slide the tab on the front leg in between the station top and the front panel. Then attach the completed assembly using 4 A-screws. Make sure the connection is fully tightened. Now attach leg C to the station top using 2 A-screws. Attach leg D to the station top by first sliding the leg tab in between the station top and the front panel. Then attach 2 A-screws, ensuring a tight connection. Install the propane tank clip to the 2 legs assembled in the previous step. First, insert the angled end of the wire into leg C. Then insert the flattened end of the wire through the keyhole in leg D. When both ends of the wire are in place, rotate the propane tank holder wire around to lock it in place. When done, the 2 rectangular shapes at the center of the clip should point towards the station top, and it should be slightly angled towards the burner side of the station. Attach the 2 rear braces to the assembled structure using 4 A-screws each for stability and support. Secure the lower brace between legs C and D using 4 A-screws to reinforce the base. On a soft surface, lay the wok station on its back, with the control panel facing up. Position the lower shelf so the screw holes line up with the holes on the 4 legs. First, secure 1 A-screw per leg to align properly. Once completed, finish installing the other 4 A-screws, ensuring a tight connection. Now attach the wheels. Insert a long bolt through the lower brace and legs, ensuring the head of the bolt is seated into the hex-shaped cutout. Attach the lock nut from the other side, then tighten the nut using an adjustable wrench or a 13mm wrench or socket. Repeat for the other wheel. Ensure each wheel spins freely but doesn't wobble. If they are too tight, loosen the nuts by 1 or 2 turns and recheck. Adjust as needed. Install the wheel caps by pressing them on until they snap into place. Stand the station upright and install the paper towel holder by inserting the bump through both bracket keyways. Once inserted, release the paper towel holder. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the burner assembly to the station top. You will need these screws to continue the installation, but the 3 nuts are not needed and can be discarded. Place the wok ring so the smaller leg faces the back left corner of the station, and the posts underneath insert into the 3 holes of the station top. From under the table, use the save screws to secure the 3 posts of the wok ring. Ensure a tight connection. Moving on to the control panel, press the knob onto the valve assembly post by lining up the D-shaped stem with the corresponding hole in the knob. Unscrew the ignition button and insert the included AA battery with the plus side facing out. Replace the ignition button and press in to verify if it sparks inside the burner. Rotate the button so start faces right side up. Install the backsplash with 5 A-screws to the rear of the station top. Place the wok on top of the wok ring. The station is now ready for use. When not in use, store the wok separately, away from the elements, and cover the wok ring with the provided burner cover. Congratulations! You successfully assembled your Cuisinart Outdoor Wok Station, bringing outdoor cooking convenience to your fingertips. Always refer to your owner's manual for instructions on connecting and testing the propane tank, as well as additional use and care tips. For additional information, Don't hesitate to reach out to our customer care team by calling 866-994-6390 or email outdoors@cuisinart.com. We're here to ensure your outdoor culinary adventures are enjoyable and hassle-free.